God could have made me anything in this world, and he made me a black woman. That is it.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sofoxyyy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves a no foundation makeup routine. All products used will be listed on the screen. Now let's just jump right into it. So I know I'm usually known for my wig reviews, but if you know, you know. Over time, whatever protective style you use definitely takes a toll on your hair, and baby, wigs was taking a toll on my edges. So we have these braids in, so I was like, why not tap into my makeup skills and show the girls what I've been doing lately? So first I'm starting off with a baby wipe, just cleaning my face to let you guys know I do not have a damn thing on. Maybe but a little dirt, but my face is absolutely clean. Now starting my makeup process, I always love to moisturize, and this is my Good Molecules Priming Moisturizer. I just feel like my makeup looks that much more flawless when my skin is hydrated. I am a skincare girly. I am so into my skin. My mama taught me that is the first thing that people see. So make sure you take care of that. Make sure you're drinking your water. And make sure you're definitely hydrating your skin. I promise you, it definitely makes a difference. Now going in with my eyebrow pencil. Now this is the LA Colors XL eyebrow pencil, and I got this from my local Family Dollar. Now if you knew me about 5 years ago, you would know that I did not have any eyebrows. Like, your girl was drawing them from scratch. So the fact that I have the little that I do, I kind of like to, you know, just outline those. So we're just filling that in, drawing the brow that we want to create, and I'm just using the tip of my finger to feather that out. And yeah, now we're going to do the same to the other side. Now when drawing your eyebrows, please do not be discouraged if you mess up, because that is when concealer will come into play. That is pretty much like your magic eraser that will clean up any unnecessary lines that you do not want a part of your brow. So that is what we're using now. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I have her in the color Fawn. She runs for about $4.99 at your local beauty supply store. And now I am just carving out my eyebrow. We want our brows to look real defined and precise, and concealer helps you do that. Now I know that there's a rule that you should not clean the top of your brow with concealer. You should definitely want to use your foundation, but if I'm being honest, I have been doing my brows like this for years, and I just take my time and really make sure that I blend it out. I love the way concealer defines my eyebrows. So yeah, now I'm going in with my e.l.f. blending brush. That was about $2, and I also got that from Target. Now the thing about makeup, if you want it to look flawless and seamless, girl, it's really about taking your time and blend, blend, blend. But really the trick is just not using as much concealer on the top like you did the bottom, and you should have a flawless eyebrow. Now I'm just going in with some primer. Now this primer is from e.l.f. This is their Power Grip Primer. I got this from Target, and it runs for about $8. Now this is my favorite, girl, my favorite primer to use. You really only need about a dime size amount, and I just spread that on my cheeks, my nose, on my forehead, and whatever is left is what goes to the rest of my face. But with some moisturizer and primer, I'm telling you, girl, your makeup is gonna look amazing, flawless, poreless. It's really the greatest primer of all time. 10 out of 10 would recommend, okay? Now going in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop bronzer, and I had this in the color Deep. This is also from Target, and this runs for about $9.50. Now, I do not have anything on my eyes, but I don't want my eyes to be bare. So I'm just going in with some bronzer, and this is usually what I contour my face with anyway, just to put a pop of color on the eye. It's gonna make it look like I did some eyeshadow, but baby, it's really just some bronzer, using that same blending brush that I use for my eyebrows because I'm lazy like that. And that is pretty much it. Now we are using the e.l.f. eyeliner in black. I got this from Target as well. See, I'm a Target girly, okay? And this runs for about $3. Now let me say this, I have been using this eyeliner for about 6 years. Like, it's one of those eyeliners, when I tell you it is so cheap, but it is so bomb. Black, baby, precise. It gives me the perfect cat eye every time. Every time. Now, how I go about doing my cat eyes is I would draw a line from the inner corner to the outer corner, and from that outer corner I'm going to draw a line going up towards my eyebrow. Now the longer the line is, the more dramatic your cat eye would be. So from that line, you're just going to drag down another line to connect to the previous line that we created. I hope that you guys are getting the gist of it watching it on the screen, because I promise you it's way harder to explain and it's real simple to do. But I have been doing a cat eye for over 10 years. It is one of my signature makeup looks. Me and cat eyes, we go together real bad. Okay, you will not see me with my makeup done and most likely not see a cat eye. Like, that's really how much I love them. But they're real simple to do. If you guys would like a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my cat eyes, just comment that down below. Now I'm just drawing this line a bit thicker to match the other side, and we are good to go. Going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion highlight palette. I know you couldn't see the name, but that's what it is. And I'm going in with the color Vacation. I also got this from Target, and this is for $8.99. Yes, $9. And I'm just popping that under the brow. Like I said, we did not do too much to the eyes, so just highlighting under the brow. It's really making it look like we put an eyeshadow look together, and I promise you, we really didn't do that much. Now that just adds a little, you know, sparkle, and I like that. Using that same blending brush from before, because that's just what we do. And girl, tell me why I almost broke my nail trying to get this box of lashes open. Annoying. But this is from Kiss. This is the Lust Effect lashes, and I got this from Family Dollar for $5.75. I'm usually a Burlington girl. Like, that's where I get my lashes from, because you can get the packs for like 5 lashes for $5.99. But if I'm in a quick rush and I need a good eyelash, girl, your local Family Dollar will hold it down every time. As far as how I put my lashes on, baby, I don't know how to explain it to you. I don't use no tweezers or anything. Clearly you guys can see I use my hands. I just stick them on and yeah, fan those down and they stick. Going in with the same Pro Concealer from earlier. This is the concealer we'll be using for our face. We are not using any foundation. So this is in the color Fawn. And we are just, let me say this, okay? I love a good highlighted face. Like, I love a bright under eye. So for some looking at me, you might be like, girl, that is a lot of concealer. Mind your business, okay? This is just how I do my makeup without foundation. And you're probably saying, oh, so for all that, just use foundation. No, I don't want that. I want concealer. So I am putting that all over my face. And now I'm going in with my makeup sponge. Now this is from Target as well. And this is the Sonia Kashuk makeup sponge. And this runs for about $5. And it is damped with water. And now you're just gonna wanna blend that out. Like I mentioned with the eyebrows and the blending brush, in order for your makeup to be seamless, girl, take your time and blend. I promise you, blending out my face sometimes really takes probably over 5 minutes, because I really sit there and take my time. So I'm gonna speed this up for you guys, and I will come back when we're on to the next step. Now it is time to set our face, and I'm going in with my Airspun powder. I got this as well from my local Target, and this runs for about $6.99. There you go. $6.99, very inexpensive, and it is in translucent. Now I know some people do not like Airspun because they feel like it gives you a white cast. I do not bake with this powder. You guys literally see me pressing it into my skin, and when I tell you my under eye is seamless, like, it's one of my favorite setting powders to use. And yes, it's getting a bit bright, but so I don't have to use a yellow tinted setting powder and then a white one or something. It just gives me the perfect amount of bright, and by the time I contour, I promise you it's gonna blend with my skin. I just love Airspun. Use what you use, but that's what I use, okay? Going in with that same NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop bronzer, and now we are just bronzing up the face. I'm trying to put some color back because we are a little bright, and that is pretty much it. I do this on my cheekbones, on my jawline, and also on my forehead. And towards the end of the video, you guys are also gonna see me contour my nose as well, because I forgot to do it just now. But stay tuned. Now going in with some blush, and I also got this blush from Target. This is the blush in the color Fiji, and this runs for about $3. I don't know if this is safe, but I've seriously had that blush for about, I wanna say 6 to 7 years. In makeup world, that might be expired, but to me, girl, I still use it and I still love it. And I'm not really a blush girly like that anyway. Like, you guys see me putting on blush, but it will never be too bright. It's real subtle. Like, you can see it, but you really can't. And I like that because I just feel like, baby, I'm black, I don't blush like that. So the little that I have is honestly enough. Now going in with some highlighter, and this is from Juvia's Place in the color Royalty 1. And this is on their website right now for actually $4.50. Again, I've had this for years. And I just take a little bit from the cap and I put that on my cheekbones. I put it down the bridge of my nose and the button of my nose because I just like the way it makes my face look. And now I am about to go back in with my bronzer because I forgot when I did this part that I definitely did not contour my nose. So going in with that same NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop bronzer in the color Deep. And I am just dragging that along the sides of my nose, connecting that color back to our eyelids so that it could just blend seamlessly together. And if the girlies want to know how I contour my nose, this is really how I do it. It's just that simple, and don't judge me. But I really have been using the same blending brush the whole entire video. I used it for my eyelids. I used it for my contour. Like, I just be using it for a lot, and I just do that, so don't judge me, okay? Now I'm just cleaning off my lips. We are getting ready to line them. Now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place lip liner, and this is in the color Cola. This retails for about $10, and I am just outlining my lips. Fun fact, can you guys believe that when I was in high school, I actually wanted to get a lip reduction? Like, I actually wanted them to take fat out of my bottom lip because I just thought it was so big. Am I not delusional? To now be in a generation of girls actually plumping their lips up, and to think I wanted to reduce mine, the nerve of me. My lips are one of my favorite features on my face. I just think they're so cute and full, and I like that. But now I'm going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline, and that retails for about $6. This is the perfect nude for chocolate skin. It's a tinted creamish, pinkish kind of gloss, and the name is really in the gloss. It glides like butter. And that is honestly it. We do not, I'm lying. I'm so lying. We have mascara to do, and this is by choice. I love doing my bottom lashes. I'm going in with the Tarte Man Eater mascara. I won this in a giveaway, but that retails for about $25. That's a lot of money for some damn mascara. I don't know if I might do that again, but it really is good. And now I'm using that same highlight shade that we used under our brow bone just in my inner tear dot. I love how it just brightens up my eyes. It's real freaking cute. And that was seriously it for our no foundation makeup look. I know you guys are looking at my face like, girl, you used no foundation, and seriously, look how flawless my skin looks. The lotion, the primer, all my products used, you guys seen it, and this is what our makeup look turned out. It turned out so cute. It's honestly giving a little glam. And mind you, we did not use any foundation. But that was it for today's video, you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios. Oh, comment down below what you guys think too. Bye.